What's up, everyone? Crypto Patrick here. I hope you guys all had a great New Year's, and I hope everyone was safe out there. I want to talk to you guys today, and if you guys like my videos, please subscribe and like and send a comment at the bottom. I usually do giveaways for, and this is a Litecoin video, so I send people randomly Litecoin, and I did a Ripple one, and I'll make some videos about that. But yeah, if you guys do that, I'll definitely send over some coins to some lucky winners. But I want to talk to you guys today about Litecoin. So right now we have an ocean of green right here. There's a lot of green going on. We all know that the market's been down in December, but now with this new year, just like I've been predicting this, it went up. So we're looking at Ripple right now, but let's look at Litecoin because Litecoin is the one I want to talk to you guys today. I want to talk to you guys today about mining and how you can mine Litecoin. I'm going to kind of show you the process on how I'm going to start mining because I just, I bought Litecoin. I hold, I have about 5 Litecoins right now. So, it's a good amount, and looking at this, if you want to look at Litecoin, it's up 8%. So, you never want to buy when it's up. You want to buy on the dips. So IOTA's down, you'd want to buy, but pretty much everything is up right now. Obviously, last week would have been a perfect time to buy, but for right now, let's take a look at Litecoin. Okay, we have a 7% increase. It is $257. The market cap is $14 billion. The max supply is 84 million. Circulating supply is 54 million. So they don't have that much in the circulating supply. Almost $1 million was traded today. If you guys want to look at, I usually look at the month forecast over here on CoinMarketCap. And we are looking at in December, it was around 332. Then dropped on December 22nd to 254. Now we're at 255. It's going back up again. So what usually happens, guys, for all you newbies out there that aren't into cryptocurrency, is the market will drop, then shoot back up. Drop and shoot back up. It basically consolidates higher every single time, but that's just the way it goes. And right now we're experiencing a drop, but there's a lot of things coming out. Like Litepay has a debit card coming out. If you guys go to litepay.com, this is going to come out in February. This is going to mean just like BitPay debit card, you're going to be able to exchange into USD instantly. And BitPay debit card for it works with Bitcoin right now, and they're just starting to accept Bitcoin Cash. But with Bitcoin, if you have to send $100 over. And if you're sending $100 over, you're going to get hit with like a $28 fee plus the Bitcoin or BitPay debit card fee. So with Litecoin, we're going to have way better numbers. You're not going to get hit with the big fee because obviously the fee on Litecoin is it's like really, really, really small. And so what I want to show you guys right now is first I'm going to just show you, where is my Genesis mining here? Okay, let me pull something up for you guys. Dun, dun, dun. Let's see where I have my Genesis mining over here. Okay, so I started with Genesis mining not that long ago, and this is where you can mine Bitcoin, Zcash, Litecoin, Dashcoin, Ethereum, Monero. The other one I also mine is I use Bitclub Network. But with Dash, with Genesis, I've been mining 100% Dash since the summertime, and I only paid $30 to start mining with this. And if you guys look on, I'll show you my payouts of just how much I've gotten paid from mining this. It should show me on my dashboard, actually. I haven't actually been signed into Genesis for a while, but I've been getting paid on autopilot for this. So my $30 investment has already gone up to 121. It went from 109 in December to 121. There's a $21 increase. So what I'm going to do now, since Litecoin is doing really good, is I'm going to start mining Litecoin. And this is how I start. So I have 100% dedicated to Dash right now. So I'm going to come down here and go to Litecoin. And now I'm 100% on Litecoin. It's easy as just turning this wheel. This is why I recommend, I got to turn it the right way. But yeah, I recommend you guys join Litecoin over here and get started with this because I think I'm going to save my allocation. Make sure this saves on there. Your hash power was successfully allocated. So now when I come over here, I'm doing 100% Litecoin. We all know that this payout has been really good. If you guys look at my payouts right here, I've been actually sending my Dash over to Bittrex and then converting over to Bitcoin. but you can see I had all these little payouts here on 12/27. Now I'm going to start getting Litecoin, and then I'm going to send it. I'm going to basically send it to my Exodus wallet. Like, I keep an Exodus wallet right here, so it'll just give you guys a little bit of idea of what to do. But yeah, I think Litecoin is the future. I'm going to start mining right now. I'm already holding a lot right now. I'm holding so that should be good. And if you look at some of the other things that are going on right now in the Litecoin atmosphere, I'll just show you guys a couple other things going on. Okay, this is from Cointelegraph, and it basically says that Bitcoin, Ethereum, Bitcoin Cash, and Ripple and IOTA, Litecoin. This is the price analysis that they give. And I was just reading this earlier to get an idea of what's going on with Litecoin. And on December 31st, we had a break of the neck of the head and shoulders pattern, but the bull supported Litecoin around a $200 mark. Currently, Litecoin pairs with a broken out downward trend. The neckline of a 20-day EMA. This is a positive move above 250. They think it's going to move to 283. Thereafter, 300 is likely. So we're about to see a $300 Litecoin. I think because of this Litepay debit card and a lot of other people accepting it, that's why we're going to start seeing the trend go up. On the downward side, strong support exists, $200 and below 175. This is still a pullback. We don't accept to trade on it. They don't accept you to trade until it goes high, because remember, you always want to trade when it goes high. But yeah, that's what I want to show you guys on Genesis Mining. I'm going to put the link in the description. I think this is a really good one to start mining. And if you guys want to see what else I do, I do Bitclub Network right here. Like, I have $300 already, just ready to go, that I can basically take out right now. And I just did like 2 other pay cycles, so I made $500 off this just so far, and that's not even from the mining earnings, because I'm waiting for my mining to get set up. I just paid like the $500 mining fee. But my friend Sean Logan, he's been with them for 6 months. He's made 1.7 Bitcoins mining, and for the binary system, he's made 17 Bitcoins just in the last 6 months. So I mean, this is one of the highest paying programs in existence. They actually hold like most of the a big percent of the share of Bitcoin mining. And there's going to be a link in the description for this one and for Genesis Mining. But yeah, guys, I'm going to start mining Litecoin, and I'm going to start getting some profits on this right now. I think this is a really good network. I have, if you guys look right here, I'm going to have an affiliate code in the description. But I'll just show you where it is. My affiliate code is right here. So whenever you sign up, I'm going to give you the sign up link for Genesis Mining. I only paid $30 for this. I don't know what fee you want to dedicate your hash power, because you can dedicate different hash power to it. But I suggest you guys all sign up for Genesis Mining. And if you want to make really high profits, go for that Bitclub Network. All right, this is Crypto Patrick here. Just a quick little update. You guys are awesome. I make these videos for you. Please subscribe, comment, like my video. And I'll try to drop you guys some Litecoin from when I start mining right now. I'm going to do it. I'll probably drop one this week. So, yeah, definitely follow me. Hit me up on Facebook if you have any questions. Definitely recommend Genesis Mining for mining. I'm going to mine that Litecoin right now. And that Bitclub Network, very high paying too. So both those programs. Bitclub costs you about $600, $100 membership, $500 for the mining pool. But once you're in Bitclub, you're mining for life, because you can set the repurchase to 100. It's like 1,000 days of mining, and you get your own rig hooked up. But then you can do repurchasing into the next pools, which is another 1,000 days. So you can mine for 7 months, do 3 months of 100% earnings to repurchase more equipment. So technically, you can keep mining indefinitely with Bitclub Network. And with Genesis Mining, it's been pretty good too. All right, guys, that's my update. Thank you very much for being alive. I hope you all are feeling not too hungover from New Year's. And that's it. I'm going to end it with this song. Peace.